Hello there, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to share with you what is differentiation. Okay, differentiation is the one of the most difficult chapter found by students. Alright, for this chapter what students will do is they'll be using the formula of the differentiation to get this answer, and they will not understand what's the meaning of differentiation. So here I am going to explain to you what is differentiation. Now let us look at this. For this straight line, to find the gradient, we will use m equals to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Okay, this is the formula to find the gradient. So let's say for this line AB, the line AB, we have a gradient of 3, let's say. So the gradient of 3 for line AB, in any point of this line, the gradient is still 3. They will never change. Okay, how if I give you a curved line? Okay, now we have a quadratic graph. And how do we find the gradient of this line? So this gradient is not constant. So if we look at it, okay, let's say we just put here x is 1, alright, which is at this point, and this is x is 2, and here x is 3. So at this point, alright, this is the x1, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 3. So now if you draw the tangent of this, alright, the tangent, so here is almost 0 gradient, and here is you have a slight increase, and here we have a very high gradient. So we can see this green color as a slope of this line. Now we take this equation and we do this, we have to differentiate this equation. So when we differentiate this equation, we will be getting that 2x minus with a 2. Okay, this is the gradient. Alright, this is the gradient of this curve. Now example, we take x is 1. So when x is 1, okay, when x is 1, the gradient here will be, we have to substitute here 1. So it's a 2, 1 minus with 2, and here we'll be getting 0. So here we have a 0 gradient. So here the gradient is 0. So I just put the m is equals to 0. Now we substitute with x is equals to 2 to find the gradient of this here. Okay, so we substitute the 2 at the x there. So we have, let me change the color, 2, 2, and we minus with 2, and we'll be getting this is 4 minus 2, we'll be getting 2 as the answer. So the gradient here has increased from 0 to 2. Okay, now we look at this. X is 3. So when it is x equals to 3, what we'll be getting here is, we substitute 3 over here. So 2 multiply with 3 minus with 2, and here will be 6. 6 minus 2, and here will be 4. So as you look at it, the gradient at x is equals to 3, the gradient here will be m is equals to 4. So you can see the gradient is changing from every point to point. Okay, this is why we will be using a dy over dx, the differentiation. So in conclusion here, the differentiation here is actually to find the gradient. Okay, so I hope you can understand the fundamental of the differentiation, and I hope you can continue your great work. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Thank you again.